Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this new video series with the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch Professional, we're going to be testing out some new strap and bracelet options from our friends over at StrapsCo. The team at StrapsCo sent over some great new items for us to test on the new Omega Speedy, and these new options will help us build out a longer series of bracelet alternatives for this channel. If you guys have wanted to see a huge variety of straps for the white Speedmaster Pro, I've got you covered. Leading this video, we're taking a look at the included stainless steel bracelet that comes with this reference Speedmaster Moonwatch Pro. Then we'll have a look at the thin mesh strap and wrap up with the blue deployant sailcloth from StrapsCo. I've worn the blue sailcloth a few times and I'm loving the quiet contrast in the navy versus the black bezel on the Speedy. The thin mesh is a fun alternative to the mesh bracelet from Omega, and it's much more affordable. Thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned for many more videos. Thanks.